Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to receive Binance USD Easy Guide. Open your Binance app or website and log in securely, then navigate to Wallet and select USD. Tap Deposit, carefully choose the correct network, and copy the deposit address or QR code. Share this address with the sender and confirm the network to prevent mistakes. Watch for on-chain confirmations and check your balance after transfer is complete to ensure funds arrived. Choosing the right network is crucial for safety and speed when receiving USD. Different networks have different fees and confirmation times, so pick one both you and the sender support. ERC20 often has higher fees, while TRC20 usually costs less and is faster. Always confirm the network string shown with the address and avoid cross-network transfers. If you are unsure, pause and verify to prevent irreversible mistakes. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. You can find the link in the description along with other deals and resources related to this video. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. After copying the address, double-check the characters or use the QR code to avoid transcription errors. Some networks or tokens require an additional memo or tag. Include it exactly when prompted. Watch the transaction on the Blockchain Explorer for confirmations and wait for the required number of confirmations before considering the transfer complete. If something looks wrong after network confirmations, contact Binance support with your transaction ID and details for help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.